Never them caught up in a competition. All of them claim to be number one. Never them caught up in a competition. All of them claim to be number one. Material things is what them desire. Them selfish ways, them not retire. They don't realize they play with a fire. Humanity is what they require.
In reggae there is big danger. Very easy. You sound like Bob Marley or Peter Tosh or something. And Chico has found his own style of being. His own style of sound.
That's all right. The rest of all right. I don't know why them people got minded so. They don't know why them people got minded so. Why